Hi, hello, very good evening and welcome back to our Unacademy JEE English. Myself Raju and you are watching me on JEE English live sprint. Okay, see here, let us begin the session. Today's session will be very easy session because S block elements, alkali metals and alkaline earth metals. So most of you already you revise the theory. Now we will be doing simple questions because this is scoring chapter. Okay, we'll be doing questions mains level. Okay, so we cannot expect advanced level question from this chapter. So mains level questions, and get ready guys. So we'll begin the session. Okay, so let me introduce myself Raju, and I passed out from IIT Bombay. I have 7+ years experience. I mentored 1 lakh plus students. See here, if you want any inorganic or organic lectures or any subtopic like Bent's rule, like hybridization, now you don't need to search randomly. What you have to do is type tinyurl.com/JEEmobile. You will get a digital notebook. In that digital notebook, physics, chemistry, maths, different tabs are there for class 11, class 12. If you click that, you will get access to lecture video and lecture notes also. So in this way you can quickly revise all the chapters or all subtopics, whatever you want. Okay guys, and here Unacademy subscription. This is highly affordable and world-class online learning platform. Okay, so it is very affordable now. You can see 12 months and 24 months how much it is. It costs 50 rupees per month, per day. Just 50 rupees per day. If you use my code Raju10, you will get additional 10% discount. Okay guys, let us start the session. S block elements. Here we'll be covering 2 chapters of NCERT: alkali metals, alkaline earth metals. There are some tricky questions you are going to learn, so don't miss the complete session. Okay na? So you have to stay with me till the end of the session. Okay guys, right? And like the video and share this in different groups, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, right? So the first question here, atomic radius. It is very simple for many students. Correct? Atomic radius, how much simple it is. Now we'll be comparing alkali metals, alkaline earth metals, 2 groups, elements, atomic radius, ionic radius we are comparing, right? So let us do this question with time. Okay, who are online? Varun, Aman, Aniket, Satya, Shivendra, Yuvraj Singh. A very welcome, good evening, right? So we'll be doing questions with me, and stay with me till the end of session because more tricky questions we'll be discussing later, right? Hello everyone, right? So what is the correct answer for this session, for this question? What is the exact answer? Because very simple, atomic radius, how much simple question it is. Hi. Right. What is the answers? Can I get the answers now in the comment box? Very easy question. Atomic radius only. It's a very simple question. It should not take 1 minute, just 30 seconds. See, you should be very strong and confident in inorganic chemistry. Most of the questions are fact based. So if you are very good at inorganic, you can save lots of time. Okay, so I'm getting answers D. Mg plus 2, K plus, Li plus. See the positions. Li plus, okay, in the same group alkali metals, Li plus and K plus is given. Right, alkali metals, alkaline earth metals, what is given? Calcium plus 2, magnesium plus 2. What about the sizes of these groups? First, alkali metals are bigger or smaller? Alkali metals are bigger, alkaline earth metals are smaller. Correct? So simple, Li plus and K plus. K plus first. Next Ca plus 2. Ca plus 2. And here Li plus. And least is Mg plus 2. Right? Like this down here you can write. This is second group elements, whatever given. Alkaline earth metals. These are alkali. So just only those elements, whatever given, I have written here. Right? Right. So answer should be D. Very good. Right? Answer is D. I got the all correct answers. Very good. Right. So we'll go to the next question. This question. So different trends are given. Those trends are very, very important, like ionic character, solubility, melting point, lattice energy. So you have to identify which one is correct order. Okay, right? Let us solve this question with timer. So 1 minute, you have to go quickly revise those trends. What happens to solubility in water? Increases or decreases? And ionic nature, melting point, lattice energy. So what is correct answer? Solubility, hydration energy, you can compare, lattice energy differences, right? Melting point, ionic character, same concept. Ionic nature, if you compare, more ionic, more melting point. Yes? So I'm getting answers already. I'm getting answer A, answer B also. Are you sure? Answer A, B. I'm getting answer C also. Area C. Getting B. Which is correct order? You have to identify which one is correct. Which one is correct? Solubility. So can I get more students? Everybody should participate in poll. Okay. Yes, Kunjan, you can revise all the lectures, theory lectures, okay, in Unacademy JEE channel. Okay, here the sprint is going on. Sprint means we are doing questions with that time frame. Okay, right. So I'm getting more answers C. Let us see which one is correct. Solubility in water, is it correct? It is not correct. Right. See, LiCl is more covalent in nature. More covalent nature, it is not soluble in water. More ionic nature, more solubility. So first one not correct. LiCl not correct. Ionic nature increases down the group. This is correct. Lattice energy, small size ions forms strong lattice. LiCl should be strong. Correct. So Li plus 2 Cs plus, cation size increasing, ionic nature increases. Size increases. So LiCl2 CsCl, ionic nature increases. Fine. Right. So we'll do the next question. You understood, right? Ionic nature now directly proportional to melting point, and ionic nature also proportional to solubility. So this ionic nature, three trends are very similar: ionic nature, melting point, and solubility. All increases for this group, right? Next question. See this. Which of the following statement is not correct? Which is not correct? About the common salt. Okay. So this is about halides now. Halides, and the last option is about sulfates. Right? Common salt absorb water as it is hygroscopic. Common salt used to clear snow on the road. Is it correct or not? In cold countries. Okay, this application of NaCl. Anyways, right? Let us see this answer with timer. Right. Next question started. What are your answers now? Anhydrous magnesium chloride, that is very, very important. How do we get magnesium chloride? This is a very good question in second group. So every important point in NCERT lines we touched in this sprint. Use it and get benefit. Right? Option A I am getting, which is not correct, and option C also I am getting. So what are your answers? Yes, I'm getting more C's and A. So which is correct now? Getting answer C, right? Okay, C and A confusion, right? See here, common salt absorbs water because it is hygroscopic. Is it correct or not? The first statement. Come on guys, first statement is correct or not? So it is incorrect because pure NaCl is not hygroscopic. This is very important property of NaCl. Pure NaCl is not hygroscopic. It is the hygroscopic salt is because of impurities. So if impurities are present, if like calcium chloride, if impurities like calcium chloride is present, it is hygroscopic. Right? Understood? This is very good point in NaCl properties. Hygroscopic. Okay? Right? So it is used to clear snow on the road. What is the reason here? Anybody knows why we use NaCl to clear the snow? What will happen to the freezing point? Will increase or decrease? Come on guys, answer this question. Come on students. What will happen if I add sodium chloride? In cold countries, generally it is used to remove the snow. What will happen if I add NaCl to water? Freezing point will increase or decrease? Freezing point will increase or decrease? Can I get the answers now? What will happen? Depression, very good. So I am getting answers. Depression in freezing point, that is in solutions, colligative properties, right? Yes, this is correct. And MgCl2 can be prepared by heating a double salt. If you directly heat it, we don't get anhydrous magnesium chloride. You heat the double salt, we get. Okay. Next, calcium sulfate, barium sulfate react with coke. Coke is reducing agent. Coke removes oxygen. Coke means carbon. Carbon removes oxygen. So this is also correct. Only incorrect statement is option E. Got it right? Right. Move on to the next question. Yes, this is very important question because all oxo salts, carbonates, bicarbonates, salts solubility and this solubility is different. Okay, per chlorate, this was the previous question. This was the previous question, solubility order. Okay, so don't miss this question. So what is the answer for this? It's a very good question because when you compare carbonates and bicarbonates, oxo salts and chlorates, perchlorates, it's a different. Okay, right? So many of you can do mistake in this question because most probably most of the students see I am getting answers A. A is correct or not, we'll see. A, I am getting answers. Can I get more and more should involve now? Freezing point condition. Mahavir, this channel dedicated for JEE coaching in English. Okay, so if you want JEE in Hindi, you can follow our Unacademy JEE channel. Okay, so this channel started from the demand of many people who wanted only in English. Just the language is changed here. The same content you will get, but in English. So I'm getting answers D and A, right? Yes, either D or A. Very good. See, this depends on hydration energy. Okay, so Li plus hydration energy is more. Li plus hydration energy is more. So solubility is more. This is due to hydration energy. Option D. Understood, right? But in case of carbonates, bicarbonates, order was different. Cesium was solubility is more. Okay, right. Now this is very important question. Sodium carbonate, potassium carbonate structures. So everyone should get clarity now. So what is the structure of sodium bicarbonate, potassium bicarbonate, whether they are same or different? Okay guys, let's solve this question with timer. It's a very good question, and if you are revising alkali metals, alkaline earth metals, all these points we have to read. Very good points here, right? Let us solve this question now. Sodium bicarbonate, potassium bicarbonate structure, and in carbonates what is the exception? And here lithium carbonate solubility. What happens to the solubility trend, whether increases or decreases? So I'm getting more answers D and B. Is it? Question is asking correct statement. Okay, what is the correct statement? D final, they are saying D final down the group. This question is different, right? Okay, so I'm getting answers B, which is correct statement. See here. Yes, everyone has clarity. Why sodium bicarbonate, potassium bicarbonate have same structure or different? They have different structure, correct? No. So why? How they are different? See, C double bond O. How many oxygens? 3 oxygens. So O minus, and here O H, right? 4 bonds. Now this can form hydrogen bond. Very important guys, see this structure. This can form hydrogen bond. How it can form hydrogen bond? C OH and C double bond O and O minus. See here, hydrogen bonding. Where is hydrogen bonding? This is hydrogen bonding, this is hydrogen bonding, this is hydrogen bond, this is hydrogen bond, right? So NaHCO3, it exists as chain structure. So because of hydrogen bond, it exists as a chain, right? Now potassium bicarbonate, it exists only as dimer. This is very important question. Okay, so this exists as dimer only. K plus, it exists as dimer. So these two have different structures, sodium bicarbonate, potassium bicarbonate. This is not correct. Li2CO3 decomposes to give Li2O and CO2. What is the reason? Li plus it has strong polarizing power. Polarizing power is maximum in this group. So what will happen here? O minus, CO3 minus, right? CO3 minus 2, this will polarize. So this will take this oxygen, Li2O, it will form, and CO2. But the rest carbonates of this group, the other carbonates, M2CO3, if you heat it, no reaction. Only lithium carbonate decomposes, not other carbonates. Here I am equal to sodium to cesium. There is no reaction, only lithium decomposes. Getting it right? Yes. So answer is Li2CO3. It is soluble in water, is it correct? No. Solubility is less, solubility increases down the group. Got it? Let us move on to the next question. It is very good question, guys. The oxo salt, previous questions were there. So oxo salt, what you should know? Structures of sodium, potassium. What about the solubility? And which decomposes easily? The thermal stability. So best question. Agree, right? Yes. We'll move on to the next question. This question, okay, from first two lines, if you read first two lines, you will get clear hint. Just first two lines you get the hint. Okay? Yes. We'll start the timer. Yes, guys, share this link so that everybody, the friend who is preparing for JEE should get benefit. Okay, share as much as you can. This channel especially for English, JEE coaching and in English. You see the options, all are ammonium salts. All are ammonium salts which gives no residue and also no nitrogen upon direct heating. Okay, so what is the answer? What is the answer for this question? Yes? Can I get the answers now? What is your answer for this question? Just read first two lines, 2 times you read, then you will get the idea, clear idea. Clear idea you will get. So I am getting answers A, which is giving no residue, and N2 is also not obtained. And aqueous solution of M react with alkali, all the gases are evolved, the resulting solution is treated with aluminium in alkaline medium to liberate a gas that produces deep blue solution with nickel nitrate. So I am getting multiple answers A and C. C cannot be correct. See here. So answer here, what is the answer? Ammonium nitrate. What is ammonium nitrate here? It decomposes upon heating. What will get? N2O plus H2O. N2 is not obtained. With this, N2 is obtained. With this, ammonia and HCl. Ammonia and HBr. Right? So here, alkali and all gases are evolved. Aqueous solution. Ammonium nitrate plus aqueous solution, we get NH3 plus HNO3. Gas is evolved, remaining solution treated with aluminium, and to liberate a gas that produces deep blue color solution, aluminium plus HNO3 reaction. Okay, residue means the left part. Suppose residue means it is a solid product. Okay, so there is no solid product, there is no residue, only gas, no residue. Okay, no residue, only gas. Understood, right? Yes, ammonium nitrate is suitable because the products we get, if you remove all the gases, remaining is HNO3. Aluminium reacts with HNO3 to liberate a gas that produces deep blue color solution. Just first 2 lines you read, you will get the answer. Next, this question, it is multi-correct. It's multi-correct. See, diagonal relationship, we get a question. So 2 diagonal relationships are there. One is the first one, lithium magnesium, and here beryllium aluminum. These 2 main diagonal relationship, whatever the questions, previous questions were, on these 2 diagonal relationships. Okay, so this is beryllium and aluminum diagonal relationship. So what is the correct answers? So it is a multiple correct. It's a multiple correct answers. I started the timer. Beryllium, first they comparing oxides and carbides, complex forming ability, hydrides, nature. So every point is very important. Every option is very good option. Okay, you should know the theory from NCERT line to line. So I'm getting answers A, C, D, A, C, D, A, B, C, D. So what is the correct answer? Correct answer for this, A, C, D, A, B, C. Very simple question. Okay, so beryllium oxide, aluminum oxide are amphoteric. Correct, there is no doubt in this. Correct, first statement is correct. Second statement, carbides. Carbide means, see here, beryllium carbide and aluminum carbide, Al4C3, both gives methane gas only. They are called methanides. They give methane gas. Both can form complex. This is also correct. Hydrides are covalent. BeH2, AlH3, they are covalent hydrides. So all these statements are correct. So we have the answer now. A, B, C, D, all are correct. Right? Let us move on to the next question. This one. Here, a very simple reactions, but see the question is different. First find out A, C. Okay, the C question, when the gas C is passed through bleaching powder suspension, another gas F comes out. So which can also be obtained. That means this F gas can also be obtained from which of the reaction. So more application based it is. So first identify what is C. So then do we get F gas from these options or not? This is also a very good question. No, in saline hydrides, Anupam, in saline hydrides, beryllium is exception. Magnesium is exception. You can go through NCERT, it is clearly written except beryllium, magnesium, remaining all are saline or ionic. Beryllium is covalent. You see, check the line of NCERT. Okay. Beryllium hydride is covalent, no doubt in that. Right. So let us, can I have the answers now? What is gas C? What is gas C and how F is obtained from this? Maths, you're asking for maths, right? Maths will start at 6 o'clock. Don't miss that session. Shankar. Okay, see the options. Multi-correct. Multi-correct. Now you can give answers. It is multi-correct. That means F gas, same F gas, can be obtained from multiple options. Gas is NH3. That gas C is NH3. Okay, fine. C. Gas B we don't require, only calcium. Here Ca3N2. Here NH3. Very good. This is calcium hydroxide. But this, if you do phosphorus, Ca3P2, this is PH3, this is calcium hydroxide. E same. Okay. Now when C gas is passed through bleaching powder. What is bleaching powder? Is it oxidizing agent or reducing agent? What is it? Bleaching powder. See, bleaching powder NH3 OCl minus. Simple formula I am writing. CaOCl2 bleaching powder, but I am writing simply OCl minus. Now it will oxidize or reduce. What will happen? Is it oxidizes ammonia or it will reduce ammonia? What is the correct answer? NH3 we have, bleaching powder we have. Now we have to find F gas. See, in this direct questions were there in previous mains. Which gas is obtained by direct heating of ammonium dichromate, ammonium nitrate, ammonium nitrate? They are very, very important questions. Direct heating. It will oxidize. Bleaching powder is not a reducing agent, it is oxidizing agent. So NH3, it is oxidation number N2, right? See here, NH3, it will reduce -3 to 0. Is it oxidizing or reducing? So what is gas F? This is gas F. Bleaching powder is oxidizing agent, not reducing agent. It will oxidize ammonia. -3 to 0. Nitrogen gas is this. What is gas F? Nitrogen gas. Now how nitrogen gas is obtained? From which options we get nitrogen gas? So first option, we'll get nitrogen. Ammonium nitrate, N2O plus H2O. Nitrite, N2 plus H2O. N2 plus Cr2O3 plus H2O, right? Barium plus N2. This is pure nitrogen preparation. Okay, so B, C, D. B, C, D is correct. Very good. It's a very good question, right? See this. These are very, very important. You practice these decomposition reactions. These 3 compounds, 4 compounds. Okay. Ammonium salts upon decomposition. These are previous questions. Okay, right? Let us move on to the next question. Listen, assertion reasoning. It is about Solvay process, most important Solvay process. Calcium chloride is formed as byproduct in the Solvay process for sodium carbonate preparation. What we prepare in Solvay process? Sodium carbonate. During the recovery of ammonia, calcium chloride is obtained when calcium hydroxide react with ammonium chloride. So what is correct one? Choose the correct statement here, correct answer. Okay, so sodium soda Solvay process only for sodium carbonate, not for potassium carbonate. Okay, it's a very good question. Now which is the correct answer? Can I get the answers now? It is easy question only, not very difficult. If you know Solvay process, it's a simple concept they are asking, right? Come on guys, can I have the answers now? Don't take much time for this. It's an easy question. Okay. Manish, hi, welcome. Gaurav is doing, Aniket. Everybody should involve. Okay, na? So there are very good questions ahead also. Stay with me till end of the session. So what is the answer? Statements are correct or wrong? Or one statement is correct, other statement is wrong. What is it? What is the correct answer? I'm getting answers. B means but statement 2 is not correct explanation. Then what is correct explanation for this? See here, calcium hydroxide plus ammonium chloride, CaCl2 plus ammonia plus H2O. This is again reused. Ammonia is reused. The byproduct we get is calcium chloride. It's fine. It is formed as a byproduct. So both the statements are correct and it is correct explanation. It is correct explanation. Okay guys, right? So let us move on to the next question. See this. This is very good question. How many rings, means it is linking the S block elements chapter with coordination. When you mix, multi-conceptual question. Okay, calcium and beryllium, magnesium, they form complexes. So one of the complex is given with EDTA. Okay, so what is the number of rings formed in that complex? How many rings are present in that complex? Let us see how many, what is answer? What is the correct answer for this? How many rings? How many rings are possible in calcium EDTA complex? Okay. So I'm getting already answers 6. You can draw that, okay, and check. EDTA is hexadentate ligand, means total 6 donor atoms are there. 6 donor atoms. So what is the correct answer for this? 2 nitrogen donors and 4 oxygen donors. Anybody knows the answer? Know the answer? Correct answer for this. Can I have the answers now? Satya is saying 3. Gaurav is saying 6. More participation is required here. What is EDTA? Very good question now. What is EDTA? What is EDTA? EDTA is ethylene diamine tetraacetate. Ethylene diamine tetraacetate. This is very good question in coordination. It is hexadentate ligand, means 6 donor atoms are there. Now you see the structure, okay, then count it. Okay, I'm not giving answer, I'll show you the structure. Okay, na? You give me the answer, what is correct answer now. Okay, ready? This is the structure. So calcium, so this is ethylene diamine C, CH2N, CH2, CH2N, CH2, COO minus, CH2, COO minus. How many rings are present? Now you have the structure. See the structure and answer. What is the answer? How many rings you are able to see? How many rings you are able to see? Now you, in front of you, you have the structure. I gave the structure. So I'm getting answers 5, 4, 5. You can count the number of rings. How many? Yes, most of you are giving answer 5. Definitely it is 5. See here 1, the first structure, first ring, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. Okay, understood, right? No doubts. Calcium EDTA, this is multi-conceptual question. S block elements and coordination compound mix. How nitrogen makes 4 bonds? What is maximum covalence of nitrogen? Maximum covalence, coordinate bond it can form, no? Gaurav, NH4 plus. How many bonds are there? NH4 plus, simple example if we take. Right? So let us move on to this question. Number of elements that releases hydrogen gas reaction with NaOH. Let us start the timer now. So how many reacts with H2? See, in coordination you will be learning the structure. In coordination compounds you will be learning the structure. Don't worry about that. Okay. Come on guys, what is the answer for this? How many gives H2? They are reacting with NaOH. Generally bases, metals are basic in nature. But some metals react with NaOH. That is the interesting part in this question. Okay. Metals generally basic. But now these some metals react with NaOH. Some metals, they even react with bases. What are they called? What are they called? They are amphoteric. So what are amphoteric metals from this? So what are amphoteric metals? Come on, how many are there? Integer type, number of elements that releases H2. So I'm getting answers 3. Is it difficult? Beryllium and aluminium, Zn, tin, amphoteric, Anupam. So what is the correct answer? See here. Beryllium, aluminium, metals, fine. And here Zn, tin, they are fine. Even a non-metal, you can see boron reaction, boron plus NaOH, Na3BO3 plus H2. It's non-metal but gives hydrogen. So that's why total elements, metals and non-metals. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is correct answer. Got it right? Metals, amphoteric metals, but non-metal also there. One non-metal, boron. Amphoteric are those which react with acids as well as bases. Fine, very good. Right? Understood the question? Boron reacts, beryllium, aluminium anyways react, Zn, tin reacts. Got it right? Yes. Next question, last question of this session, and related to ionic mobility. That's the most important part. For conductance they can ask, or simply ionic mobility. Okay. So let's start the timer now. We'll do this question with timer. Yes. Started the timer. Let's see the response now. It's an easy question only. How many have higher ionic mobility, the ionic speed, compared to beryllium plus 2 ion? Yes. What is the correct answer for this? Number. I need the number. It is like integer type. Integer type question. Integer type. How many have ions have, which hydrated ions have higher ionic mobility, ionic speed. Ionic speed should be, ionic speed depends on hydrated ion size. Ionic mobility inversely related to hydrated ion size. Okay. So how to compare hydrated ion size? Hydrated ion size is ionic size. Ionic size is less, hydration is more, or vice versa, right? If ionic size is less, hydration is more. Ionic size is more, hydration is less. So all these ions are smaller or bigger? They are bigger than beryllium plus 2. If you compare ionic size, they are bigger. Hydrated ion size, they are less. Ionic mobility is maximum. All is correct answer. Okay, right? So these are very good questions, and every concept like oxo salts, diagonal relationship, okay, amphoteric metals, amphoteric oxides, we covered each and every topics which are related to the previous questions and expected questions. So definitely it is going to help you in mains. So share it guys, and like it and subscribe it. And see here, if you're not connected with us, what you have to do, very simple. Download the Telegram app and go to browser and type tinyurl.com/JEE live chat, so that you will get connected with us. And see here, almost 32,000 plus are already connected. All these are IIT aspirants. So daily so many questions are sharing. So you will get daily motivation, because if you solve very good question, then that feeling is completely different for IIT aspirant. Okay, so you can post your queries, definitely will help you. And see here, this is a digital notebook. If you type tinyurl.com/JEE mobile, physics, chemistry, maths, class 11, class 12, different tabs are there. You can get access to lecture video, and you can get access to notes of that particular lecture. So this is useful for very quick revision, and use it and get benefit. And Unacademy subscription, it is world class, best online platform for learning and highly affordable. The best thing is it is highly affordable. What you will get from this? Live plus classes and live dedicated doubt clearing sessions. In the classes or quizzes if are conducted and polls are given. In that polls, topper respective, what is your score, you will get to know. Instant evaluation you will get to know. And here NTA based mock tests are going on with respect to the target April 2020. So don't miss the opportunity and subscribe it now. And here 60 plus educators. 60 plus educators are teaching different courses, and with one subscription you can study from any of the educator. You can choose any course. If you want organic course, inorganic course, physical course, you can study from different educators. Here doubt session is going on, and see, if you can take the picture of the doubt and post it, the doubt will be clarified in the class itself. So this is the world class feature we have. Okay, how to subscribe it now? So just download our app and install it, and go to plus and choose your goal. What is your goal? IIT or NEET? Choose your goal and then get subscription. You will be directed to payment options here. In that payment options, most affordable 12 months and 24 months. You can see the price here, just 1,500 per month, and 12 months it is 2,500 per month. So almost how much it will be? 50 rupees per day. And use my code so that you can support me. Raju 10 code, if you use it, you will get 10% discount. Okay, don't miss the opportunity, and hit the red bell icon and subscribe our channel and share this with your friends in different groups. After this class, you will get PDF notes, so that it will be very useful for very quick revision. And here other channels too working on YouTube just for you and giving quality education, that too free of cost. Unacademy NEET, Unacademy JEE and Unacademy Foundation. Okay guys, so let's crack it. We will crack it, and in the next every day same time 4 to 5 chemistry will be there session, and don't miss this session on sprint. It will be very good practice for April 2020 mains. Okay, see you and good evening.